Hello there. So you want to know how you can use your Proton Authenticator offline? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I would like to clarify that authenticator apps like Proton Authenticator actually does work offline by using time-based one-time password or TOTP that are generated on your device using a shared secret and the device's internal clock, not a network connection. The codes will continue to generate as long as the time on your device is accurate, even without an internet connection. So let me just tell you how it works. So offline generation, the app doesn't need a live internet connection to generate new codes. It has time-based algorithms. So they run an algorithm that generates a new code based on the current time and a pre-shared secret, which is unique to each account you set up. And then it is also device dependent, which means the code changes every few seconds. So you need to have the app running on your device to generate the code correct at that moment. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you.